Former baristas are picky about espresso machines, myself included. With that in mind, here are some espresso machine and grinder pairings that are well suited for somebody who has formerly worked in a fast-paced cafe setting. I will say, when putting these together, the focus was on workflow and not budget. But let us know after watching if we should make a budget version of this video. Up first, we have the Diletta Alto paired with the Eureka Single Dose Pro. The standout features on the Diletta Alto is that it has a subtle and responsive flow control adjustment, pro steam paddles, which I love because they're really familiar to those cafe levers, same convenience. And lastly, digital pre-infusion adjustment. And paired with the Oro Single Dose Pro, you get a fast, low retention grind, a blind upper burr with a shorter grind chute, and a king-size dial for incredibly subtle grind adjustment. The workflow on this system is definitely manual, which some baristas find really enjoyable, but others might find that to be too involved. You'll start by manually measuring out your dose and do any pre-grind treatments like the RDT method. Once the beans are ground, you'll transfer them to the portafilter and follow your usual routine. What's really cool about this setup is just how custom you can get with your recipes. The low adjustable flow rates allow you to create profiles that just aren't possible on linear pressure machines. It's all about precision and nuance. This pairing is for baristas that want deep control over their entire espresso profile and the ability to experiment. Personally, I love the old Eureka Single Dose, which is what I have on my home coffee bar, and this really builds on that legacy. And if I were to make a coffee on this setup, it would honestly just be a straight espresso with a long, full saturation pre-infusion. When I'm working on a machine that has flow control, I just really enjoy taking my time and watching the espresso fully pull and savoring the quality that can come on just drinking an espresso shot alone without any dressing up from milk, syrups, or anything else. Up next, I'm going to be showcasing a really versatile prosumer setup, the Lelit Bianca and the Fiorenzato AllGround scents. We selected this pairing for baristas that want an automated workflow, but still crave flexibility and control over modern espresso profiles. Starting with the technical features. On the Bianca, you have the Lelit Control Center, or LCC. This lets you adjust pre-infusion, post-infusion, brew group temperature, and even your boiler temperatures. There's also a flow control paddle for manual adjustment of your espresso profile and a movable water tank to make your workflow more convenient. On the AllGround scents, you get grind by weight functionality for precise dosing. It features 64mm dark tea burrs for consistent particle size. Together, these features make this machine both capable and user-friendly. For the former barista, this setup is all about consistency and creativity. Using the grind by weight system, you can get your dose accurate every time, and then when you bring it over to our included bottomless portafilter, we can monitor our flow and adjust using flow control, refining the taste and the profile of your espresso shot. And as a bonus, the Bianca comes with both a 2-hole or a 4-hole steam tip for baristas who are craving a little extra time to focus and hone their technique, or extra power once they're fully established. The former barista that would value this combination the most is somebody who enjoys tinkering and building unique espresso profiles. And for the coffee that I think of when I'm thinking of this setup is a honey oat milk flat white. This beverage really highlights craft and individuality, and I think that's really brought out by these two machines. The precision and stability of the Bianca and the scents really make it easy to pull a smooth, balanced espresso. That and the perfectly texturized milk really let the honey and oat milk shine in the cup. For the final setup we're looking at in this video, we have the Rocket R58 and the Eureka Atom W75. This combination is about as close as you can get to a professional coffee shop setup at home. It's built for power, efficiency, and consistency. Starting with the technical highlights, the Rocket R58 features an auto-on setting. Whenever I would come into the cafe, my machines were already on and working. It's really nice to have that experience at home, to come to the machine that is fully heated and ready to go. It also has a responsive and removable PID controller, so you can be precise with your exact espresso recipes, setting that temperature up, and then removing this so you don't have to see it if you don't want to. And in addition, this machine has a really robust feel that feels like the commercial shop machines that I've worked on. It's got these harder edges and corners and just has that power that I really enjoy. A lot of commercial machines will have that more industrial look and feel, and that's what it feels like to work on the R58. Sharper edges and stronger steam arms feels really familiar. The Atom W75 complements the R58 perfectly because it has these features that you're looking for in a commercial grinder. This grinder really reminds me of a commercial grinder just from its interaction. First off, by being able to set the portafilter in hands-free and have it activate and do a grind by weight program, I'm able to move forward through my routine and keep things fast and efficient. It grinds really quickly alongside what I am used to for that commercial workflow. And finally, this might sound silly, but the portafilter fork is just so sturdy. I can trust it with a quick let go of the portafilter, and the grinder is going to support it while I move about the rest of my busy schedule. Ultimately, the workflow on this setup is simple and efficient. You can brew and steam at the same time, keeping your workflow smooth, and it's perfect if you want to make multiple drinks in a row. The barista that would value this setup the most is someone who is looking for a shop quality experience at home. It is ideal for former baristas who prioritize power and efficiency. And as for the coffee drink that I would make with this particular setup, that'd have to be an 8-ounce latte. And the reason for that is that this is the most commercial feeling setup where I want that nice standard cafe drink that's going to give me quick, powerful, good milk texture alongside a steady espresso shot that I can rely on drink after drink after drink. If you like this video and you want more former barista content, go check out the other videos on our channel. As always, drop a comment and let us know what you think about the machines we featured today.